Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage SIM pin on Oukitel WP50. To manage the SIM pin, go to Settings, then go to Security and Privacy, More Security and Privacy, SIM lock, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable, change and disable it. First, let's enable it. To enable it, you need to enter the default one, or if you've changed it before, enter the one that's current. I think that's the one, and now it's enabled. When it's enabled, whenever you restart your device or take the SIM card out and put it back into the same or a different device, it will ask you to enter the PIN to use the phone. You can change it by clicking on Change SIM PIN, then entering your old one, and now enter your new one and enter it again to confirm. Now the SIM PIN has been changed. You can also disable it by disabling this switch, then entering your current PIN and clicking on OK. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.